Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another intriguing episode of Selfie Story, where we explore the most fascinating, mysterious, and mind-boggling phenomena around the world, all through the lens of our trusty camera. We know you love a good mystery, and today we're serving you an extra special dish of enigma. Today's episode is all about places on Earth where gravity doesn't seem to work. Yes, you heard that right. We're on a quest to investigate some of the world's most baffling locations where the laws of physics seem to take a day off. From waterfalls that flow upwards to hills that pull cars uphill, we'll take you on a journey that turns the world as you know it upside down. So, grab your explorer hats, sit back, and buckle up because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's dive right into our first destination, an earthly conundrum that's sure to leave you scratching your heads. Are you ready to defy gravity with us? Let's get started. Hello and welcome, curious minds. Today we're diving into an intriguing topic, places on Earth where gravity doesn't seem to work. Gravity, that invisible force that keeps us grounded, literally. It's a fundamental law of nature. But what if I told you there are places where this law seemingly breaks down? Intriguing, isn't it? In this journey, we'll explore some of these gravitational anomalies scattered across our planet. We'll marvel at the upside-down waterfall, where water seems to defy logic. We'll wander through the puzzling Santa Cruz mystery spot and be mystified at Canada's magnetic hill. We'll scale the heights of Mount Aragats in Armenia and step into the dizzying Oregon vortex. We'll even traverse to the remote Hudson Bay area in Canada and the enigmatic Cosmos Mystery Area. Each of these locales carries tales of gravity gone awry, challenging our understanding of this fundamental force. Are you ready to challenge what you thought you knew about gravity? Well, buckle up. Our first stop is the upside-down waterfall, a spectacle that will make you question what you know. Now, we all know that waterfalls typically flow downwards due to gravity, right? But the upside-down waterfall seems to laugh in the face of this fundamental rule. This peculiar site is located in various parts of the world, including Hawaii and Scotland. Here, instead of cascading down, water appears to be defying gravity and flowing upwards. How is this possible? It's all thanks to the power of strong winds, which blow against the water, pushing it up and creating the illusion of an upside-down waterfall. But don't be fooled, gravity is still at work here. It's just that the wind's force temporarily overpowers it, causing the water to flow in the opposite direction. So, while it may look like a scene straight out of a fantasy novel, it's a testament to the remarkable interplay of natural forces. Quite a mind-boggler, isn't it? But the mystery only deepens from here. Next, we visit the Santa Cruz mystery spot, where gravity seems to take a vacation. Nestled in the beautiful forested mountains of Santa Cruz, California, lies a place that has puzzled and astonished visitors since its discovery in the 1940s. A place where balls seem to roll uphill, and people can lean forward without falling over. The Santa Cruz Mystery Spot is a circular area of about 150 feet in diameter. Within this circle, the laws of physics and gravity appear to be in a state of rebellion. Objects and people seem to tilt in improbable angles, defying gravity, and your sense of balance might betray you. The history of this peculiar spot is as intriguing as the phenomena it exhibits. It was discovered in 1940 by a group of surveyors who noted their equipment behaving strangely in this specific area. Overwhelmed by the bizarre occurrences, they opened the area to the public in the following year. Several theories attempt to explain the strange phenomena occurring here. Some attribute it to a high concentration of natural occurring magnetic fields. Others propose that it could be due to a hole in the ozone layer, while some believe it to be one of many gravitational vortexes found around the world. But the most popular theory is that of a tilt-induced visual illusion. Simply put, the theory suggests that the perceived phenomena are a result of the slanted environment messing with our brain's interpretation of space and orientation. However, despite the numerous theories, none have been definitively proven. The Santa Cruz Mystery Spot remains an enigma, a place where gravity seems to lose its grip and our understanding of the physical world is put to the test. But our gravity-defying journey doesn't end here. We've got more peculiar places to explore. So buckle up, folks. The next stop on our tour of Earth's gravity-defying spots promises to be just as baffling and exciting. Ever seen a car roll uphill? In Magnetic Hill, that's a common sight. Welcome to Canada's Magnetic Hill, a fascinating spot in New Brunswick where vehicles appear to defy the laws of gravity, rolling uphill when left in neutral. But how does this happen? This phenomenon, known as a gravity hill, is actually an optical illusion. The landscape surrounding the hill gives the impression that cars are rolling uphill when they're actually rolling downhill. The slope of Magnetic Hill and the surrounding area deceive our brain, making it seem as if gravity is working in reverse. Despite the logical explanation, thousands of visitors are drawn to Magnetic Hill every year, eager to experience the sensation of their car seemingly defying physics. It's one of those rare places that remind us how easily our perceptions can be fooled. As strange as it seems, it's all part of the wonder of our planet. Mount Aragats in Armenia is not just a mountain, it's a place where gravity seems to take a back seat. This four-peaked giant, the highest in Armenia, holds a peculiar secret. It's here that cars seem to roll uphill and water appears to flow against its natural course. Quite the spectacle, isn't it? Scientists and curious minds alike have been drawn to this gravity-defying spectacle. Some suggest it's an optical illusion, a trick of perspective caused by the mountain's unique landscape. Others propose more fringe theories, like magnetic anomalies or unknown energy fields. Despite the different theories, one thing is certain: Mount Aragats continues to baffle and fascinate. It's a place that seems to break the rules, to challenge our understanding of the world. It's a reminder that our Earth still holds mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Mountains that defy gravity? Only on Earth, right? But we're not done yet. Welcome to the Oregon Vortex, a place that baffles scientists and visitors alike. Nestled in the verdant landscape of Gold Hill, Oregon, this circular area of around 40 feet in diameter is the epicenter of strange, inexplicable happenings. This peculiar spot was discovered in the early 20th century by John Litster, a geologist and mining engineer. Litster reported that his horses would refuse to enter the area, and he himself felt disoriented when he did. From these humble beginnings, the Oregon Vortex has grown into a major tourist attraction, with people from all over the world coming to experience its bizarre phenomena. Here, gravity doesn't seem to behave as we expect it to. Objects appear to roll uphill, and people seem to change height depending on where they stand. For instance, a person standing on the southern part of the vortex appears taller than when standing on the northern part. It's as if the rules of physics have taken a vacation, leaving us with a puzzle that seems impossible to solve. Some attribute these oddities to magnetic fields, while others believe they are the result of optical illusions or even supernatural forces. Yet despite numerous investigations, the true cause remains elusive. Scientists have not been able to conclusively prove any of these theories, adding to the enigma that is the Oregon Vortex. But the intrigue doesn't stop there. The vortex is also home to the Mystery House, a wooden cabin where water flows upwards, brooms stand on their own, and people can lean forward at impossible angles without falling over. It's a place where your perceptions are challenged and your understanding of reality is put to the test. The Oregon Vortex is a testament to the fact that there are still corners of our world that defy explanation. It's a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and the laws of physics seem to be suggestions rather than rules. The Oregon Vortex remains a mystery, but it's not the only place that challenges our understanding of gravity. The quest to unravel these enigmatic sites continues, a testament to the insatiable curiosity of the human spirit. As we wrap up our gravity-defying tour, let's visit the Stone of Davosco in Argentina and the Hudson Bay area in Canada. Picture a massive stone seemingly haphazardly placed in the middle of nowhere in Argentina. This is the Stone of Davosco, a peculiar sight that defies all logic. Objects and people alike appear to lean towards the stone, as if inexplicably drawn to it. While some attribute this to magnetic anomalies, others believe it's due to gravitational irregularities. This unsolved mystery continues to attract scientists and curious minds alike, all seeking to unravel the truth behind this enigma. Now, let's journey to the Hudson Bay area in Canada. Here, gravity is slightly weaker than the rest of the Earth. Yes, you heard that right. You would weigh less in Hudson Bay than you would elsewhere. But why is that? Scientists speculate that this anomaly is due to the land still rebounding from the weight of the Laurentide ice sheet that once covered the area during the last ice age. As the land rises, it displaces mass, causing gravity to decrease slightly. But it's not just these two locations that have gravity-defying phenomena. Other lesser-known spots include the Cosmos Mystery Area in South Dakota, where balls seem to roll uphill, and the Golden Boulder in Myanmar, a massive gold leaf-covered rock precariously perched on the edge of a cliff, defying gravity and logic. Each of these sites, with their own unique quirks, have led to a multitude of theories. Some suggest the presence of magnetic anomalies, others propose gravitational variances, and some even venture into the realm of optical illusions and perception bias. While the exact reasons remain elusive, one thing is clear. Our understanding of gravity is not as straightforward as it might seem. As we've seen, gravity isn't always what it seems, but isn't that what makes our planet so intriguing? Today, we've journeyed through some of Earth's most mysterious places, where gravity doesn't seem to work. We began with the upside-down waterfall, a spectacle that bewilders the mind as water appears to defy gravity. Then, we ventured to the Santa Cruz Mystery Spot, where the laws of physics and gravity seem to have taken a vacation. We then explored the Magnetic Hill in Canada, a place where vehicles roll uphill. Up next was Mount Aragats in Armenia, a site known for its strange gravitational phenomena. Our journey continued to the Oregon Vortex, a circular area of effect where gravity acts in peculiar ways. Each of these locations offered its own unique and inexplicable gravitational phenomena, challenging our understanding of the world around us. These places remind us that our planet still holds many mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Thank you for joining us on this gravity-defying adventure. Stay curious and keep exploring.